Hello everyone, this is Shadcn. Welcome back to our channel Code Cutty. So basically in this video we are going to create Shadcn UI library in our React project. So let's move to documentation. So here we go. So here you can see we are having this installation part. So you can select this and select for this beat. Then you'll be on this page. Okay. So we have already our React project with Tailwind and TypeScript. So we can skip this and we can directly go with the sixth step. Okay, if you want to see like how we can create React project and configure the Tailwind, then you can refer to our old video. Okay, so let's copy this, not wasting our time, and paste it here. Okay, and just hit enter. So it is going to ask me few of the questions, and then just we have to answer them by just selecting the some MCQs. Like, okay, you can see here we are having this. Are we using TypeScript? Yes. Then default, then Slate. So this is the global CSS path it is asking for. So I'm having this index.css under source folder. If I'll show you it again, and source folder, then inside this index.css is my global CSS path. Okay, so if you are having some different name and different route for this particular file, then you can provide. Okay, src slash then index.css. Okay, then are we using a CSS variable? No, I can directly use the Tailwind. Okay, are you using custom Tailwind prefix? I'll say no. Then where is the Tailwind config? Okay, so for me the Tailwind is the root. Okay, it is like that, tailwind.config.js. So I can directly select the default one, and it is asking me for the path of the component. So if I'll show you that it is under source, then we are having this component. So I'll provide src slash components like this and slash. Then it is asking me for the path of util. So if I'll open this, I'm having already this empty file, so I'll remove this because right now it's empty, there's nothing. So I'll remove this and I'll provide src slash utils slash index. So it will add .ts at the end on its own. Okay, so are we using the React server component? No. Okay, we need this file for the configuration. So okay, so it's created an index folder, so we don't need that. So let's move this here and delete this. Okay, here we go. Here it's okay. So I'll show you all the change that is done by this one. So we have already these components, so we deleted this one. Okay, so we'll go one by one. So first of all, we'll go with this package.js. Then you can see we are having few of the packages installed by them, and then we are having this tailwind.config.js. Okay, and here you can see I'm having a few of the changes. Previously I was using my custom this font. Okay, so it has removed that because actually it has overridden my previous file. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, so it is having this configuration, so I'll remove this because I am not having any app folder. Okay, then all the things are pretty good, so we can close this one now. Okay, now we are having this index.css file, so there is no change. If we have selected for css very well, then there are so many classes we can find it out. Okay, so we can close this one also, then this one. Okay, so this is the tailwind merge and this clsx. If you are going to have classes with some conflicts, tailwind classes some conflicts, then it will fix them. So let's move to other thing. Okay, yeah, main thing, this is the component.json. Okay, so here whatever we have selected, so that is here. Okay, now what I want like if I'll install a package, okay, directly. So what it will do, whenever we are going to run command for say, let's say I'm having this button component. Okay, and if I want to add this, then what it will do, it will create a UI folder under my components and then add it. So but right now I'm having different folder structure where I'm saying like all the basic components should be inside this atoms. That's why I'm going to configure that. So how will I'll do this, like src slash components slash atoms slash. Cool. So now my component will be configured inside this component atoms folder. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll add this button. How I'll add this? Just copy and paste it this. Then it will add a button component inside this. Just have a look for this. Okay, let's wait until this command will run. So the good part about this Shadcn I was talking about, that it will install only those things that is required, so that it will not install unnecessary modules that is not required for us. Okay, that is the good part of Shadcn. So if I'll open this, you can see it has created a component with TypeScript, okay, for us. So here you can see I'm having this button component where I'm having different props, and there is also a concept of forward ref is used. Okay, ref forwarding, so that is also used here. So okay, and this is cn package from the tailwind. Okay, so I'll show you this one. This is the same thing they are using, so they are just this is the same path I was talking about. So if I'll remove this src, then it will, and add at, so then it will also work. That is called alias. So if you want to add in your project also, so you can refer to our old videos. Okay, so cool. Now we'll add one more component called input. That is simple, just write input like this, then it will start working. Okay, so let's wait until it will add. Yeah, it's added here. You can see I'm having this input box component also. So let's create one of the UI for this. Let's move to app.tsx here, and we'll try to add these two components here, and I'll show you how it will look like. So if I'll add input like this from this component atoms folder like this. Okay, and just control space to get the path like this and select it, then it will add for you. Then I'll select for the button component this, from this select. Cool. Now save it and let's go back to here. Okay, button component needs a label, so I'll say submit, then save it. So it's pretty much good, but still we need the space, so I'll say space x1. Yeah, but more, right? So say 4 for now. Yeah, it's cool to see that we are having a UI without writing any input components and button components. We have directly used it from Shadcn. Okay, so we can also try with more components. Let's say we are having this card component, right? We usually use these things. So let's install this first. For this we have to just copy the same thing, always copy this and add it like this. Okay, cool. So it has added a card component for us like this. Here it is. Now what I want, I can use this directly. If I'll show you here, it has provided a code also. So this is the one of the code they are using. So let's copy this. Okay, and try to create a component using this. Now I'll make a paste here. Okay, and the button is already there, that's why it's showing error. Just remove this, then uh, this one I'll remove because it is under that, and path because mine is this one, then slash, and then atoms this, then I'm having this switch. I think don't have switch components, so we can remove this now. We'll remove this here, and one of the error is coming, so slash utils like this, and it is working. Okay, now we are having this component, so just copy the card demo and just remove this and paste it like this. Save it. Let's come back here and refresh the page. Okay, let's see it is working or not. Control Shift I for the dab tools. Will take few more seconds. Maybe the build is working here. If we'll just restart our build, then maybe it will work. Okay, let's refresh this again, and then we'll find it out that how it will look like. We have already seen like it will look like this only, sorry, not this one. Okay, but we'll try to integrate. It will take few more seconds. Yeah, cool. You can see it's working fine. We are having all the things, and this is how you can copy paste the same code from here if you have having some components. Actually added some different component, not this one, by mistake. I think this one we have copied instead of the above one. Okay, so the main thing just I want to show you like how we can use this component. Like you can see I'm having this icon from listed icon. Okay, so we haven't added this, like, but Shadcn added this for us. So this is how the things work. If you really like the video, then please hit like and subscribe to it. Thank you.